Welcome to Chennai City Garden. So today in this video we are going to see about vermicompost tea. How to make vermicompost tea at your home. That is what we are going to see today. The major requirements are nothing but the vermicompost, which is one of the finest fertilizer that we can use it for our plants. So using that vermicompost we can make a proper liquid fertilizer that can be used to all types of plants and trees. It also acts as a good pesticide and it can be used as a foliar spray. So those things can be done using this vermicompost tea. So let us see how to do it. You can see here I am taking around half a kg of vermicompost. So before getting into the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notifications. And now let us see how to do it. I have taken a bucket full of water and I'm going to add the collected vermicompost to the bucket. And this is the rainwater that I had stored from the recent rain. Rainwater has a pH of around 5 to 6. Generally it is good for all types of plants. So I am using this water to prepare the liquid fertilizer, I mean the vermicompost tea. If you are using the tap water, there can be an amount of chlorine which has been added to kill germs and all sorts of things. So it is always better to remove that chlorine and use it for your plants. So what we have to do is just fill the bucket with the tap water and keep it aside for around 24 hours. Then the chlorine will evaporate automatically. Then we can use that bucket of water to prepare any kind of liquid fertilizer. So it is always best to use the water without chlorine, because if there is chlorine in it, it can kill all the organic bacteria in the liquid fertilizer. So that is why it is important to remove the chlorine before using this for liquid fertilizer. So now I have added the vermicompost to the bucket of water and I am mixing it really well. You can see here. We need to close it with a lid. And the brewing process should be at least for 48 to 72 hours. Only then all the important nutrients will get extracted to the water. It has all the macronutrients from nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus, and also the micronutrients from calcium to magnesium, iron. All those things are there in this liquid fertilizer. So this is, according to me, is one of the best fertilizer for any type of plants. So let us see how it is after 48 hours. You can see here I have just covered it with a normal bag, cloth bag. It has been 72 hours now. It has been 3 days. You can see the color of the liquid. It is brownish in color. This is how the vermicompost tea looks like. You can see here. The color tells us that this is the original vermicompost. Whenever you brew it, it will be in this color only. So make sure that you use a proper vermicompost to prepare this fertilizer. Now I am going to give the liquid fertilizer to all types of plants. You can use this fertilizer as a foliar spray. It is very much easy and it can deter certain pests, and the liquid fertilizer can be absorbed easily by the plants. So according to me, whenever you are giving any types of fertilizer, make sure that you give it in the liquid form, because it can be absorbed by the plants instantly and very easily. So you can see the growth within few days. I mean the growth of the plants within few days. See here I am giving it as a foliar spray. Just drench all the leaves using this fertilizer. In this way you can even prepare a normal compost tea using the compost. So all three types of methods can be used. I mean, you can give it as a foliar spray and to the roots. It can also help us in blossom end rot issues. The tomatoes and the chilies will be affected with blossom end rot issues. To avoid the blossom end rot issues, we can add the vermicompost directly to the roots, and for instant results you can give it as a foliar spray. The vermicompost has the required calcium for any type of plants, so you can try both the ways. I mean, give it to the roots as well as the foliar method. This is the eggplants. I'm giving it to all types of plants. In this way you can prepare the vermicompost tea and give it to your plant. Only one thing we have to make sure that we use the original vermicompost. So thank you for watching this video. If you do like this video, give it a like and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.